When a certain style resonates deeply with us, it can evoke feelings of comfort, familiarity, and peace. Design has the power to create an emotional connection and set the mood of a space. From the beginning of the renovation, I had a vision and plan for how these spaces should feel and look like. To get to this point, I had to do some major upgrades, which included removing old wallpapers, painting both rooms, installing new countertops with custom waterfall edge, replacing an old door with arched doorway, adding some new wall texture, and transforming the balcony door. Now that we have a clean, blank and functional space, we can move on to styling, decorating and adding final touches. For curtains, I wanted something that would blend in with the wall color, so the emphasis will be more on the door behind. I opted for IKEA Hannah Lil curtains. They're absolutely amazing. I like how they soften outside light and create a soft, gloomy atmosphere inside. If you want that natural linen look, this is a great budget-friendly alternative option. This wall in the dining room is the perfect place for displaying art. It has a central position and it is framed with a transom window that divides this room from the living room. So I wanted to put one large format art piece with a moderately ornate gold frame. I couldn't find anything in that specific size and look that wouldn't cost too much, but at my local flea market I found these two frames, which at first sight I wasn't that much excited about, but I quickly came up with the idea of using two frames to create one bigger composition. For art itself, I found one that I really liked, and I printed it in the print shop on canvas material that's glued to thin wood boards. I'm gonna link this art if you're interested in the description box. Using small nails, I secured them in the frames and hung them slightly above the dining table. If you want that feeling of calm and peace, you can't go wrong with art that has pronounced horizontality and simple motifs and shapes. Now let's talk a little bit about style. I wanted to achieve a design aesthetic that combines elements of Scandinavian design with vintage or retro influences, and it's primarily characterized by simplicity, functionality and a warm nostalgic feel. It's essentially mixing new and modern with traditional. So there are a lot of names that this could be called, such as transitional style, eclectic, new traditional or some others. But I'm calling it vintage-scandi. I just love how that sounds and it conveys this style much more clearly. To get a harmonious and timeless space, the most important thing is balance between the two, and now I'm gonna show you the key elements that define this space. On the more modern side, we have new countertops with crisp, clean lines, updated black balcony door with horizontal segment. These two also add much needed contrast and depth to the kitchen. This simple and elegant brass faucet, white tiles, shiplap and lights. On the other, more traditional side, we have cabinet doors. If they were typical modern ones, then this would be much harder to pull out. Antique brass handles, the main art piece with these beautiful frames, some decorations, and dried ferns and flowers. I'm more than thrilled how this all turned up, but I would like to hear your opinions and thoughts. I hope it was pleasant and interesting to watch, and I'll see you soon in the next project. Bye bye!